cool but a pecan. Thick bitch Puerto Rican. Take you out to Paraguay or California for the weekend. I'm with Sack and Juvie, so you gotta bring about 3 friends. Don't flex, don't pretend. You know we spin the pin.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're just gonna go ahead and jump straight into the video. Here I have a curly unit that I constructed, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how I got some chocolate curls. So this is the before. The frontal part is combed out a bit because I was plucking it. So yeah, the back of the wig that I'm going to show you here is its natural state and its natural curl pattern, and then this is pretty much how the unit looks after, you know. Come on. All right, there we go. This is how it looks after. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so the products you're going to need is just some bleach, developer. I use 20 developer, and then just a bowl and your choice of like a little brush. I use my hands because it's a little easier. Make sure you're wearing gloves if you are doing this. So I'm not really measuring how much I'm pouring in there. As you can see, I just put the developer in there first, and then we're just going to use I used a little cup thing. I did 2 or 3 scoops, and then I kind of just eyeball it to get to where the texture is kind of smooth. You don't want it chunky or too watery, so you just want a nice consistency. So yeah. So I started by like doing it by sections. I combed the first section out just a little bit, and then just so it's a little easier to get through the curls than it is if I just put it directly onto the regular pattern that it already came in out the box. So I'm just putting this all over. As you can see throughout the video, I'm going to stop using this brush because it was just kind of going too slow for me, and I didn't want to take too long because, you know, if you let the bleach sit on the hair too long, it's going to become a lighter color. So we're kind of going for like a chocolate brown color, so I'm going with my hands through the rest of the video. Okay, so as you can see, the bleach is already processing on the hair, and it's like a light brown color, so I was really trying to hurry up. But once I got to the frontal of the wig, I ran out of 20 developers, so I had to use 40 developer, which processed way faster. So I mean, I was pretty much done once I got to the frontal, but it did process faster than the 20 developer did, of course. So I immediately, about 5 minutes after, I'm going to wash it, but you'll see that later on in the video as well. Also, if you guys are interested in getting a wig made by me, I do make wigs. If you guys don't know already, I will leave all the information down below in the description bar, so you'll pretty much just follow the IG account, DM me on there to place your order as well. So I make pretty much all types of custom wigs, frontal, closure, doesn't really matter, but yeah, all the information will be down below, and you guys can just check that out. So now that we have gotten to the frontal, I pretty much put it everywhere just like I did the back. I just didn't do the roots just because I wanted the roots to be black. Well, it's natural color, which is dark brown. But yeah, so I just didn't do the roots, and I did use the 40 developer on the frontal because, like I said, I ran out of the 20 developer. So now I'm going to go ahead and start washing the hair out. I rinsed all of the bleach out with cold to warm water. You don't want to use hot water. And then I accidentally used shampoo. So you don't want to use shampoo. I only use conditioner. Before this, I did use the purple conditioner, I believe, or the purple shampoo. But yeah, so that's why you see the water that's turning like a little light purple color. And so here's where I'm showing you that I used the shampoo on accident, which I meant to grab the exact same one but in the conditioner form. So I'm going to end up, realizing that, your girl messed up. And so I'm trying to rinse that all out so I can go back and use the same brand but the conditioner bottle. So here's just how it looks up close. So, looking chocolate brown. Really excited. So we're just going to keep rinsing that out. So now I'm just using my denim brush to comb out the wig and define the curls. I do have a video on how I define my curls and get a really good nice volume to them. I'll link that video down below as well. And here I'm just going in with my tweezers and plucking. I also have a detailed video on how I pluck my wig also, so I'll leave the link to those videos down below. So I'm just going to pluck the part, define the curls a little bit more, and then we're going to start on the baby hairs. Okay, so now I'm doing the baby hairs. I am using mousse. You want to try to use, I use mousse that doesn't have alcohol in it, just because it's better. But yeah, so you can use pretty much any type of mousse, and you can use a rat tail comb or a toothbrush to do your baby hairs. I also have a video on that as well, which everything will be linked down below. So I'm just pretty much swooshing the hair back, to have a pretty nice hairline so it can dry this way. And then we're just gonna wrap it with the little wraps that you can find at the beauty supply store. They're literally like $1 or some change or something like that. But yeah, so we're just gonna wrap it and let it air dry. So this is how the unit turned out. I'm so in love with this color, and the curls did revert back after bleaching them, so that's definitely a plus. Also, I did dry the unit overnight, so I just dried the wig upside down so the curls wouldn't be weighed down as much. So yeah, so also all the information will be linked down in the description box if you guys did want to see another video like this, or you guys do like it, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.